Samsung 85 inches 8K Ultra HD Smart Neo QLED TV. Product information. Real 8K resolution. Feel the power of every frame with 33 million pixels at ultimate clarity with a resolution 4 times the resolution of 4K. Quantum Matrix Technology Pro. The powerful evolution of Neo QLED 8K comes with a backlight dimming technology that precision controls our proprietary quantum mini LEDs. Witness unimaginable details expressed in both the darkest black to the purest white with x1.5 more lighting zones than normal quantum matrix technology. Neo Quantum Processor 8K. Neo QLED's advanced multi-intelligent processor creates the best 8K viewing experience. Instead of one neural network to analyze visual data, Neo Quantum Processor 8K uses data generated from 16 neural networks to enhance every visual detail of your 8K content. 8K AI Upscaling. Witness the quantum leap in 8K AI upscaling performance by combining deep learning algorithms to the Neo Quantum Processor 8K. The on-device deep learning algorithm will analyze images and tailor to the restoration of details of each pixel. 100% color volume with Quantum Dot. Quantum Dot technology delivers our finest picture ever. With color volume 100%, Quantum Dot takes light and turns it into breathtaking color that stays true at any level of brightness. Object Tracking Sound Pro (OTS Pro) immerse you deeper into your listening experience on all corners of the TV, including the center, without missing any audio clue. SpaceFit Sound. Enjoy an optimized sound in alignment with the installation environment, whether it is on the wall or on the table, providing an optimal sound experience. Infinity One Design. Don't compromise between elegance for immersive viewing experience. This gorgeous Infinity One design will take you to the next level with impossibly slim profile. Attachable Slim One Connect. Whatever your installation environment, Attachable One Connect helps you to minimize cable clutter. Infinity Screen. Push your viewing experience to the limit with a nearly invisible bezel. Black edges are shrunk to almost nothing, and an ultra-slim frame removes any distractions so you can get a more immersive viewing experience. Q Symphony. Surround yourself with sound from TV and soundbar orchestrated in harmony. Q Symphony uniquely allows TV and soundbar speakers to operate simultaneously for better surround effect without muting TV speakers. Super Ultra Wide Gain View and Gain Bar. 21:9 and 32:9 screen ratios give you the extra viewing area you need to maximize the gaming experience and to win. Optimize your gameplay with Game Bar, an on-screen menu that lets you make real-time adjustments to screen ratio, input lag check, FPS, HDR, wireless headset settings and more. Super Ultra Wide Game View is available for ultra-wide supported games and PC games only. Some game titties may not support or be limited in the use of this function. Screen resolution change from external device may be required. Not available in Q60A32. FreeSync Premium Pro. With certified AMD FreeSync Premium Pro Core technology, you'll experience reduced stutter and screen tearing as well as a superior combination of smooth gaming at peak performance, exceptional high dynamic range visuals and low latency for a true game-winning performance. Multi-view. Watch what's on your TV and your mobile on the same screen at the same time. Whether it's live stats for sports or video guides for games, simply connect your phone and multi-screen like never before. Supports Android OS and iOS-based smartphone. Please refer to support page for details on compatible mobile devices. Tap View. Mirroring movies or music from your mobile to TV is as simple as a tap. When you tap your TV with your mobile, the TV senses the tap and mirrors automatically. So it's quick and easy to switch to the TV and continue enjoying your favorite content. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and